Hello everybody, today we are going to make a mask ear protector. As well, it is also called ear saver. Um, it will help relieve the pressure from elastic this way, and it will make your day more comfortable if you work and have to wear a mask the whole day. It is suitable for doctors and those who are working in medical centers as well. It is a great gift to essential workers. So if you want to make this one, let's get started. For this protector, I was using 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, and I was using leftover yarns. So it is 4-ply medium worsted yarn. It is Masal Babe Lanosa yarn, and it has 100 centimeters per 100 grams ball. So it is really soft acrylic yarn that I was using for baby hat. You can also use pure cotton or organic cotton. Also, you will need 2 buttons. It can be just simply round buttons. I just added these cute buttons to make those those dark days a little bit happier. And you will need a tapestry needle to hide tails, to weave in ends, and maybe marker if you are a total beginner. So let's get started. I make a chain of 20. So one more time again, I make a loop like this. So chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So chain 20. Now I'm going to make a 2 single crochet in the second chain from the loop, from the hook here. In the second chain from the hook, I'm going to make 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Then I'm going to make 17 single crochets. So it is till the last loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now you will have one more chain. You make 3 single crochet in this chain. 1, 2, 3. And we turn to another side. Now we are going to make again 17 single crochet. 1. So you insert your hook here, you see those loops, and you insert this hook like this. 2. I actually wanted to show you how to hide this tail, so you keep this tail together and we will hide it at the same time. So one more time. 17. We are going to make 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 'So you hide the tail, so at the same time. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and you make one more single crochet in the first loop where you made 2 single crochet. Okay, now you have the strand that is looking like this, but I want to make it bigger, so I continue working. Now I'm going to make increases, so I'm going to make 2 double crochet in the next loop. So this is the next round, we start already the next round. So 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and then again 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, you can place marker here for this, the very first stitch, but it is only needed if you are a beginner and you cannot see the stitch. Then we are going to make again 17 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. In the next three stitches we are going to increase, make in each two single crochet. 1, 2, 1, 2, and again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we are going to the other side and we are going to make 17 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. In the last stitch we are going to make 2 single crochet. 2 single crochet. So we pull the yarn and we cut the tail. Okay. We pull it like this way. So now we're going to join. So you don't need this marker already. Use a tapestry needle. Okay. So you go here and then you go through the back loop of this stitch. And like this you'll get invisible edge. And now you're going to hide this tail behind, to weave in ends and go a little bit here. You can use also hook if you don't have a tapestry needle. Pull it a little bit. Hide it a little bit more and cut the yarn. and cut the yarn. So cut the yarn. It's ready. So I want to show you the final size. The final size is 13.5, the length 13.5 centimeters, and the width 3 centimeters. So now you have to only sew 2 buttons here. You can also adjust it, like take smaller buttons and place 2 buttons here and 2 buttons here. So the person who is wearing mask can adjust the size and to make it to sit tighter or weaker on its face. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe and see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.